Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's Art. Today we are going to learn a Saura painting. Saura tribe lives in southern Odisha, parts of Telangana and Andhra. It's a very old tribe. They say that Chabri was from Saura tribe. So it's approximately 10,000 year old tribe of Treta Yuga. So let's start. So material needed are pencil, eraser, a 000 number brush and white color paint. We don't need any other thing. Saura paintings are made on the walls of the house by the priest who is called Edital Mas. And these paintings are done on some special occasion. So they invite the Edital Mas in their houses, and Edital Mas keeps on chanting the shlokas in Saura language, and then they paint it. Everybody cannot paint the Saura painting. So there are special people, they are also called the Vidyapati. So there are special people who will paint the Saura painting. In Saura painting, corner design and borders are very, very important. So we are starting from a border. These paintings are painted in parts. Like from top to bottom it is painted, which is also called the fishnet approach. And each scene is separated by a border. So one scene will be enclosed by one set of border. But the border on all the four sides of the painting will be same. So I'm making a very simple Saura border, which you all have seen in my Saura borders workshop earlier video. If you have not seen, then please have a look on that. So this is a simple border. Borders have lots of importance in Saura art. Also, they decorate the corner of the painting very beautifully. So two things are very important, borders and corners. This is a A4 size paper on which I have given some shading with orange and red color. Saura tribe lives next to the Vasundhara river in Odisha, which flows through southern India, in fact east side, South India. So most of the places, the soil is very rich in iron ore. So when they paint on the wall base coat with the soil, it looks like a red color coating. Also, due to flow of lots of things, some places the river mud is yellow color. So some people use orange color also. Yellow, orange, brown, these are the colors which are normally used in Saura painting. So when an Edital Mas will paint the painting on the wall, he or she will be reciting the shlokas, and after the painting is completed, the ceremony is completed, there will be distribution of rice grain, rice products, banana, fruits, whatever is locally available there. So our first border is ready. In Saura painting, as I said, the corner design is very important. So I'm painting the corner design. Now we'll paint the second border. Paper is absorbing lots of paint, so we have to give a second coat. Now in this, we are drawing slanting lines. Now we are going to paint motif of sun. So this is the motif of sun. Our spiral is ready. Now to show sun's rays, we are drawing these triangles. Our next motif is a bird. Birds have lots of importance in Saura art. Now we are going to paint a village scene in which we'll show the Edital. Edital is like God for them. So I'll start from the top. The reason why I'm painting from the top is so that my hand will not touch the top part again. If I paint lower part and then bring it here, there can be merging of color. Birds and monkeys are popularly seen in Saura painting. Now I'm going to make a monkey. So our two monkeys are ready. As you can see, paper is absorbing lots of color. We may have to do a third coat also. Now let's draw the center part of the billet chalk or wherever the deity is placed. Now we are going to draw and paint the Idital. Idital is God. So this is the face. Then we'll draw a few lines here. A curved body. We'll fill color in the body because this is Idital, not a human being. In one hand of the Idital, there is bow and arrow. Then in Saura painting, there are long legs. Body is elongated. It's not a straight line like Wadley. Here we'll show people worshipping. As you can see, this is the male figure. Other side is female figure. Female will have earrings. In the center of the body, we show cross because Saura people wear a cloth in the middle of their dress. Another female. Here, Idital masks are sitting. They can be male or they can be female. Idital masks are Vidyapati. We can say in simple words, they are pujaris who will perform the puja. Legs will be folded because they are sitting on the floor. As you can see, paper is absorbing lots of paint, so we have to do a second coat on it. Now we are going to paint the border here, a second border. So our temple scene is ready. Now we are going to make birds and some plants around the temple. We have finished one part of the painting and now to draw second part, we will have another border. So we will draw a double line. So one scene is complete. I have to draw border here and here. Now I am switching to second scene. We are going to make an adobe hut. This is made of sun-dried bricks of mud, and then there is a coating of mud on the top of bricks like we do plaster nowadays. Then there are leaves. These are palm leaves, coconut leaves, banana leaves. They are weaved together and then this hut is made. So we are making few huts here. So again, show the division here. Now this is a coconut tree. There is another coconut tree. Two men carrying the kill. Whatever they have done during hunting, they are carrying in this basket. Next is two men are going for hunting. These two have finished and other two are going. So he's holding an bow and arrow. Other hand is down. This one is playing a drum. Drum is suspended from his shoulders with a string, so lower part of his body is not visible. Only some part of legs is visible. Now here is another drummer who is playing dholak. Again, this dholak or drum is suspended. Another scene is completed and now we'll draw another border. This border is ready. Now we are going to show some deers. So we'll draw a triangle, one ear, another ear, first leg. The face is not triangular exactly, it's little curved. Like in Varley, everything has to be triangular or straight line. Here, most of the things are angular, at some angle. So our painting is completed. I hope you like this tutorial. Kindly like, subscribe and share Vandana's art. Thank you. Namaste.